Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Lamborghini Urus truly your own. The journey begins with understanding the exclusive process of acquiring this magnificent vehicle. You'll learn about the initial steps, from selecting a reputable dealership to placing your order. We'll cover the essential considerations for making your Urus unique, ensuring it reflects your personal style and preferences. This guide will help you navigate the path to owning this exceptional SUV. Once your order is placed, the exciting phase of personalization begins. Lamborghini offers extensive options to tailor your Urus. You can select from numerous vibrant exterior paint finishes, ensuring your SUV stands out. Inside, customize with premium materials such as fine leather or sporty Alcantara, available in many shades. Don't forget the details like unique wheel designs and contrasting brake caliper colors, making your Urus distinctly yours. Beyond aesthetics, you can enhance your Urus's performance and functionality. Explore optional performance packages that sharpen handling and responsiveness, elevating your driving experience. There are also various specialized accessories available, from roof racks for adventure gear to unique carbon fiber accents for added style. Additionally, integrate advanced technology features for improved comfort, connectivity, and safety, ensuring your Urus meets all your desires. After finalizing your specifications, the production and delivery process typically spans several months, building anticipation for your new Urus. Once it arrives, proper care is crucial. Adhere to Lamborghini's recommended maintenance schedule to ensure your vehicle performs optimally and retains its value. And speaking of keeping things fresh, if you want your car smelling great, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your incredible Urus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.